Meet Sally. Sally's been thinking a lot lately about starting a new business. But Sally's also been thinking about her marriage, a marriage that's in trouble. She'd like to start her business now, but if she does, she's afraid that her husband will end up with half the business if they get divorced. What can Sally do to protect her interest in the business? We asked one of Minnesota's top family law attorneys for an answer.
The law is basically that parties who are married will be sharing in some fair way all of the property, including property that might have been created a month or two before the divorce. And so that is a concern. And there are a number of ways to deal with it. One way is to have what is called a postnuptial agreement, which is permitted in Minnesota, may not be available in other states, many other states. This is a contract where the parties say, all right, I'm going to start and finish this invention. I'm going to start this new business. I'm not going to put any marital money into it, just sweat, and whatever I put in will be charged against me. But we're going to reach an agreement that if we get divorced, you don't get, for example, 50% of this. You get something fair, and the parties can negotiate. Maybe it's 10%, maybe it's 20%, but it's less than half. And you reach an agreement and you follow the law. This agreement is enforceable if you follow the law and meet all of the requirements. This is a way for people who are concerned about staying married, but who want to go ahead and start a business and do all these other things we've talked about, where they can be protected, whereas the other spouse is receiving something that he or she may not receive, because it's easy to say, okay, I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to write the book. I'm not going to start the business. I'm going to simply wait until, if a marriage doesn't work out, we're divorced, I'll do it afterwards, and then you won't have any claim. So here you're going to get 10% or 15 or 20, and so it's worthwhile perhaps for the spouse to agree to this.